To set multiple picture as wallpaper on your lock screen, open your setting and then go to the wallpaper. Then here you can see a lot of wallpaper pairing. Press on add new wallpaper, and from here you need to select photo shuffle. Select this one. Now you are able to add album, or if you want to select image, then select photo manually. Now select your path. Suppose I want to select those photos as a wallpaper lock screen. Press on add, and once it's done, then you able to colorize, to change color. And here is the three dotted line. Press on this line. Now how you want to rotate it? On tap, press on add. Now set as wallpaper pair. Now almost done. Go back and let's check. If you tap your skin now, then your wallpaper will be changed frequently. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. Don't forget to thumbs up and do like.